Imagine this. You've just survived open heart surgery, but within months, the very same habits that damaged your heart in the first place are quietly pulling you back toward danger. That's the brutal reality I see every day as a heart surgeon, and it's why I am literally begging you to stop these 5 habits before it's too late, because trust me, it's never too late to start protecting your heart. Now, let me ask you, what's one habit you know deep down is hurting your health, but you've struggled to let go of? Share it in the comments, because speaking it out loud may be the first step toward finally changing it. Part 1 begins with the first silent threat, sitting for hours every day. You might think it's harmless, but prolonged sitting is like poison for your circulation. Your blood flow slows, your arteries stiffen, and your risk of clots and heart attacks rises dramatically. Even if you exercise, long sitting cancels out many of those benefits. The fix is simple, but powerful. Stand up every 30 minutes, stretch, walk around, even for just a minute. Your heart thrives on movement. The second habit is ignoring sleep. Seniors often think sleeping less is normal with age, but poor sleep wrecks heart health. Chronic sleep deprivation increases blood pressure, raises inflammation, and stresses your arteries. I once had a patient who swore he was fine on 4 hours of sleep, but his constant fatigue told another story. When he improved his sleep hygiene, no screens before bed, keeping a consistent bedtime, his blood pressure dropped without new medication. Isn't that amazing? The third dangerous habit is overloading on processed foods. The quick microwave meals, sugary snacks, and salty packaged items might feel convenient, but they're silently clogging your arteries. Excess sodium pushes your blood pressure sky high, while hidden sugars fuel diabetes and inflammation. I tell my patients, if your grocery item has more ingredients than you can pronounce, your heart doesn't want it. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Your plate should look colorful, not beige. Pattern interrupt. Let me pause here and say this. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Don't beat yourself up if you've leaned on convenience foods for years. The power is in small, consistent swaps. Choosing water instead of soda, adding one fresh vegetable to your dinner. You'll be shocked how quickly your body thanks you. Part 2 is where it gets personal. The fourth habit I see destroying seniors' health is neglecting social connection. Loneliness is just as harmful to your heart as smoking or obesity. Stress hormones surge when you're isolated, raising your risk of heart attacks and strokes. I remember one widowed patient who hardly left her house. Her heart rhythm was erratic, and her energy was gone. When she joined a local seniors walking group, her health improved almost as much as when we adjusted her medications. Connection heals. The fifth and final habit is skipping checkups. Too many people avoid the doctor out of fear or because they feel fine. But high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and arrhythmias are often silent killers. By the time you feel symptoms, the damage is already advanced. A routine checkup could be the difference between catching a problem early and facing an emergency surgery later. Please don't gamble with your health. Prevention is the most powerful tool you have. Now let's bring these together. Imagine replacing hours of sitting with gentle walks, giving your body the gift of 7 restful hours of sleep, nourishing yourself with wholesome foods, connecting with people who lift you up, and seeing your doctor regularly. Each one of these choices adds years to your life, and more importantly, life to your years. But here's the truth. You don't have to overhaul everything overnight. Choose one habit today. Just one. Decide you'll stand up more often, or cook one meal from fresh ingredients, or call an old friend. Momentum builds, and your heart will respond. Can I share something personal? As a surgeon, I've literally held hearts in my hands. I've seen them falter, and I've seen them fight back. What I've learned is that the human heart has an incredible ability to heal when given the right environment. And that environment comes from your daily choices. Not from miracle cures, not from expensive supplements, but from consistent care. So let me challenge you. Which of these 5 habits are you willing to break starting today? Comment it below, and let's hold each other accountable. You might inspire someone else to make the same change. Part 3 is about motivation and action. I want you to picture your future self 10 years from now. Do you see yourself walking freely, laughing with family, traveling, enjoying life with energy? Or do you see yourself sitting in a hospital bed, wishing you had made different choices? That vision is in your hands today. Here's the uplifting part. Your heart doesn't care how old you are. Studies show that even seniors who change their lifestyle see rapid benefits. Blood pressure improves within weeks, cholesterol numbers shift within months, and energy returns steadily. It's never too late to give your heart a fighting chance. And remember, you're not doing this alone. I'm here cheering for you, and so are thousands of others in this community. If you ever feel discouraged, come back to this video, read the comments, and remind yourself why you started. Every healthy choice you make is proof that you value your life, your family, and your future. Now I'll leave you with this final thought. Your heart has carried you through every joy and every struggle. It has never stopped working for you, not for a single moment. Don't you think it deserves the same dedication from you? Take this message seriously. Stop these 5 habits and give your heart the love it has always given you. If this resonated with you, don't just keep it to yourself. Share this with a loved one, because you never know whose life you might save with a simple conversation. Together, we can create a ripple of healthier, stronger, happier seniors who are living proof that it's never too late to change. Your heart is begging for it, and so am I.